It is humid today. Humid, like really humid. But we got the mulcher loaded up. Actually, I'm gonna leave that open. What's the worst that can happen? A break. We got the mulcher loaded up. Gotta put some keys away. Yeah, get off there. Man, that magnet's strong. And we are going to Crystal River today, which is on the west coast of Florida. I guess by Gainesville. I would, like, other side of Gainesville though. It's a vacation spot for Florida people. If you know, then you know. What are you doing, camera? Let's not hit nothing. Nice. Nice. All right. I gotta run inside the office real quick, drop some stuff off, and then we'll be on. Man, it is 85 degrees and probably 100% humidity at 7:30 in the morning. Let's hope that AC in the skid steer hangs out with me today and doesn't disappear. Anyways, let's go get some fuel for the truck and for me, and I think the skid steer probably needs fuel too, so and then hammer down. Hammer down! So I always pull up property records and make sure we're at the right property before I do anything, and I'm glad I did, because it looks like this is the property we're supposed to mulch, but this is the one that makes more sense. So I'm gonna have to find some survey stakes that look like that pink one right there. Hold on, wait for it. There it is. Something like that. Hopefully we can get this figured out. So basically what I'll do is I'll walk to the property line, and then somewhere around here, hopefully, we're just gonna get started. And let's see. Can you see me? All right, we're just gonna get started and just work off of that main road there back, and hopefully by the time we get over here, the clients will have shown up. These clients are from, I want to say, North Carolina. I believe they're veterans or active duty, actually. So they're coming down here, I guess, to get a little peace and quiet in the Florida wilderness. But there'll be none of that today. No peace and quiet today. We're gonna make sure of that. Make sure it's nice and loud. Eating that debris, the debris. Pro hack of the day. I'll always say this is my favorite hack. Get you these little tie down chains from your trailer supply store. That's it right there. Get 4 of them per machine. Way easier and better than running full length chains, right? Look at that. That's it. That's the setup right there. Can't beat it. Super slick, super easy, and better than sliding around 20-foot chains. So anyways, let's get to work. We don't need that no more. That never worked, even when this thing was new. Anyways, as you see, we have our hydraulics. These have to get hooked up to power the head. This is obviously a high flow attachment, so we have a case drain on it. Now, what I just cut off, actually, that wire was something that controlled if this door goes up or down. Used to be a cylinder here. It broke pretty much the first week of owning it. It was cool while it lasted, but the reason we couldn't pick the door up is so that the debris that that this is throwing doesn't get caught by the door and shot back down low to the ground. When we want to really grind something up nice and fine, we'll close the door. This was actually, the door is closed on this one because last week we were in Hudson. I don't know, whatever the last video was. That was the last time I ran the mulcher, or this mulcher, and I didn't want to put a piece of mulch through a RV. So close the door. It keeps all the mulch right about here, that far away. But when we open it, that's when we get that called the money shot. Really shoots it up out of there. So we are good to go. Fueled, greased. Air filters are clean. Probably could clean the windshield, but we're gonna let it go for a little bit, see if it starts to rain. No point in cleaning it, it's gonna rain. Yeah, all right, let's break. So we got about half of it opened up. Back there we got like basically just double what we have here, and that's the length of the property. And then the width, I'm pretty sure, is where the truck is. But we're gonna have to walk that one off and figure that out, just to make sure we're not mulching someone else's property for free. But obviously this has to get mulched. I might even just hit that right now while the machine's up here, and then we'll push back into the back half. I forgot where the rattlesnakes are. I can't remember if it's this tree or that one, but thought I just heard one. We're good, I think. I don't know. I'll let you know if I get bit. But anyways, we're moving through this property pretty good. Thankfully, there's a big, nice clearing like this. It's already been just a natural clearing. Man, it's hot out today. iPhones are not liking the filming in this heat. Killing the battery, just draining it. The battery does not last good in the heat. But we got this to mulch. Palms, palmettos, palms. We got ourselves it's not a jam. It just doesn't want to come out. It doesn't want to cut. Like, see, you can just pull them out. Super easy. But there's nothing for them to cut against, so the mulcher doesn't cut them good. So we just gotta back it up a little bit, lighten it up, cut it out, whatever, and get back to mulch. Well, there you have it, guys. 1.2 acres mulched. You can see the orange flag right there. All that. And then we got some bigger trees up here. Pretty sure the house is gonna go over here. I'm gonna recommend it at least go over there, because that's the higher area. And we dig a pond over here. Pond, take the dirt, apply it over here. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Property is ready for development then. But yeah, I think it's time to load up and go have a drink or something. Go see what the fam's doing. I heard it's Father's Day tomorrow. Oh! I got a surprise for the wife. Yeah, it's a great surprise. Probably gonna put it on the other YouTube channel, not this one, because it's not business related. But super excited. Not gonna talk about it. Not even to a camera. I found him. I found the snake. Woo! See him? Let's go make sure that's him. Yep, that's him. Might be another one. That one looks kind of small. I don't really want to kill him. I think he's fine. Actually, I bet it's a sheep. Oh, look at that face. Oh, look at that face. Woo. Oh no, my microphone just fell off. But getting chopped up by a mulcher is a pretty gruesome way to go. But anyways, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, I don't know what you're doing. You're trying to get me bit by a rattlesnake or something. Hit that subscribe button. We're getting back in the machine. Hit the like button. You know what to do. I don't have to tell you guys. Come on, just do it. Ugh. Ooh. You can't see me with my glasses on. I look weird with my glasses on, don't I? Anyways, deuces.